Aluminum profiles for shower are a type of aluminum profile specifically designed for use in bathroom showers. It has high corrosion resistance and can be used for a long time without rusting or corrosion. The surface has been specially treated to prevent contamination and facilitate cleaning. The size and load-bearing capacity of the profiles can be customized according to custom needs. The color and style of the profiles can also be selected according to customer preferences. It can effectively protect the glass doors and partitions of the shower room and make the overall appearance of the shower room more beautiful. In addition, it can effectively prevent water mist from running into the entire room in the bathroom, maintaining the dryness and cleanliness of the entire bathroom.